Hello, today I am going to show you how to create your own sticker on Snapchat. So first, you want to go to the Snapchat app, and here I have my cube as an example to make a sticker out of. So the first step is to just take a photo of this cube and then click on the scissors on the right slide, and that is how you're gonna make the sticker. You want to outline the object with your finger to make the sticker, just like what I'm doing right now. And once you're done and you release it, it will automatically give you the sticker. Just like that, you have the sticker now. Now, to find all the stickers that you have made on Snapchat, you can click on this button just above the scissors, and then click on the scissors icon again, and there you will find the stickers that you have made. That is all for this tutorial. I hope that helps. Thank you.